Krishna is dissolving all, because the guru is like the yagyashala, like those little portable what they call it, portable yagyashala, like little copper ones on little feet. The guru is like the yagyashala, and the fire inside is Krishna. So it's Yagyavai Vishnu. So the guru, you get initiated, then you fill up the guru with all your prabdha. So he's holding in that yagyashala, the guru's life or mind, that portable yagyashala. You fill up all your prabdha, but then Krishna burns it. So Krishna's the fire of Krishna in the heart of the guru, and the fire of Krishna wisdom in the guru. The wisdom of Krishna, transcendental wisdom of Krishna, and the presence of presence of Krishna or the power of Krishna are the same. There's no difference between Krishna's tattva, knowledge, and his dham. So the greater the knowledge and the greater the realization, then the guru can, Krishna, on behalf of the guru, he burns everything up, so the guru doesn't feel anything. And sometimes he may be a very learned guru, very extremely advanced, and Uttamadikar, Madhyam Bhakta, or Uttamadikar, Uttam Bhakta, Uttam Bhakta, but he still suffers. So any suffering for the devotees is arranged by Krishna. As to the cause, we often say out of our own humility, Prabhupada is suffering because of our sins. So the disciples, even if the disciples are sinless, of course it's not true, but if every disciple was sinless, still they would feel, oh, my guru is old now, he's suffering. Because the fact is that whatever happens to a devotee is arranged by Krishna once you've taken Diksha.